Today's budget tip of the day is life insurance, okay?
Life insurance.
Life insurance can be kind of like a very taboo topic.
It can be very taboo.
Well, I think that, in order for us to have transparency in our relationship, we need to talk about these things, how important it is to have life insurance. At some point, all of us are gonna pass on. It's a part of life. And it's something that we need to have, especially if you have kids.
Right. Yeah, the sooner you can start thinking about life insurance, the better. Yeah, it's taboo. It's taboo. You always hear about the guy or the gal whose spouse took out a life insurance policy on them, and then shortly after they take a trip to the Grand Canyon and they get pushed off. And then you come to find out that their wife before them, the same thing happened to them, and true story.
Yeah, true story. You don't want to go to the Grand Canyon after someone take the life insurance on you.
Right.
And some people, they take, I've heard like people took a life insurance on someone without them knowing it. I don't know if that's even possible. Is that even possible?
Well, if it is, it's a red flag, and I'm not sure if it's possible or not, but...
Yeah, right. I think even if you think someone is going to take a life insurance on you, because I think the concern is people are concerned that someone is going to take their life insurance not because of good intention, that they want them to die. Maybe that person is not someone you should be with, right? Or anybody in your family or any friends. Anybody is taking something out of you and you have the thought or even the idea of that person has bad intention, maybe you should probably reconsider that relationship or whatever type of relationship that is. So
absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely, reconsider that. So I think in our next video we'll explore some of the policies that we're going to invest in and which ones might fit for you and your situation. So
yeah, I've had a life insurance policy since I was 25 years old. So.
Yeah, I had one through my last employer, but recently that ended, so I'm going to start looking for new ones. Yeah, this will be a great opportunity for us to do it together.
Explore that. So keep an eye out for the next video. We'll be talking about the different type of policies. We'll explore that with you together.
Yep.
And don't forget to subscribe.
And like and engage.
And we'll see you in the next video.
See you in the next video.
Bye.